Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm making a cleaver at the High Caliber Craftsman Forge. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. If you're wondering why I look a little stiff and forced in my movements, well, this is because it's the first time I've ever forged anything in my life. It was amazing how quickly I got myself into a groove. Forging out this cleaver took a lot less time than I thought it was going to take. I think the forging went so smoothly because I had great teachers in both Austin and his father Troy. It was also nice that there were so many other makers around who had never forged before, so we were all learning at the same time.
Do you hold it like this?
Yeah. Yep.
This was also the first time I'd ever done any wood turning, so please don't heckle me about my poor form. Wood turning was a lot of fun, but it's way messier than forging. Now this was by far my favorite part, combining the wood and the metal. grinding is a pretty repetitive process. You just got to keep the metal cool, and if you do it right, you end up with a razor sharp edge. I hope you enjoyed that video where I made this cleaver. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. This is the first time I've ever forged, and the first time I've ever done any wood turning, and it was a lot of fun. So I want to give a big shout out to Austin from the High Caliber Craftsman and all the other makers who were there that weekend. You made it a great time, and it'll be something that I'll never forget. If you want to hear more about the trials and tribulations that I had trying to get down to America and then get back up from there, I'll leave a link to an episode of the Creating, Living, and Making podcast. It's going to be released on Monday, and it'll be in the description below, and you can hear all about it. Until next time, cheers. Have a great day.